Welcome to the fascinating world of packaging and branding, where a product's visual identity weaves a tale that captivates consumers' hearts. Today, we unveil the story behind Omsom sauce's packaging and branding, a culinary delight that embodies tradition, quality, and mouthwatering flavor. In a sea of ordinary, Omsom sauce's packaging stands out as an enchanting masterpiece, designed to evoke emotions and curiosity. The packaging is a canvas of storytelling, artfully narrating the journey of its origins and the passion infused in every drop. The carefully chosen typography exudes bold and flavorful, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and its heritage. Its unique packaging and branding have a ripple effect, spreading joy, satisfaction, and culinary inspiration among food enthusiasts. We leave with a deeper understanding of the art of packaging and branding. Omsom sauce's visual identity is not merely a wrapper, but a masterpiece that captures hearts and creates lasting connections. A testament to the power of packaging to communicate a product's essence and its potential to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. So, as we continue exploring the world of consumer goods, let us embrace the profound impact of packaging and branding, where stories are told, traditions are honored, and experiences are elevated one package at a time.